Hello everyone, this is Maria from GuideWise. Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know, Spotify Wrapped is here, and today I'm going to show you how you can see yours. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is to go to the App Store and we're going to update Spotify. The reason you might not be seeing your Wrapped is because your Spotify is not up to date. So I already updated mine, so all I have to do is simply go ahead and open up my Spotify. And as you can see, the first thing we're going to see right here in the middle is our Spotify 2025 wrap. Here you're gonna see many different things, like you can revisit your favorite stories, you can revisit your favorite songs, your favorite artist. But if you want to share that with your friends, this is how you're gonna do it. You're simply going to select wrapped right here at the top, and then we're gonna select your stories. And that's it. This will automatically show you your summary. So which were your top artists, your top songs. You can see mine right here. I love Bad Bunny and it shows. So it's pretty much going to show you your live in music for this year. And if you want to share this with your friends or to your Instagram stories, you simply have to click on share this story. And now you can choose who you want to share this with. You can share it on Spotify messages now, or you can post it on your Instagram story. And that's it. I hope this video helped.